Welcome back to Fix It Aid. So, back to Fix It Aid. So, what's Aid trying to fix? It's a TRESemme hairdryer. And no, it's not mine. I don't use hairdryers. If you've seen the state of my wig, you would understand. This is my sister-in-law's. Now, she was using it and somehow managed to step on the lead while bringing it up to her ear, so the whole thing jolted out of her hand, fell on the floor, and it hasn't worked since. And as you can see, it has taken quite a pull. It's come apart here. There doesn't seem to be a switch. And this is hanging out, so we're going to take a look. But it was working prior. So it's got one of these, it's got these funky screw ends here, but that's alright. That's alright. Oh god, that's tight. Oh, I've just been watching the live Postmaster issue with that Angela Vandergraad generator on it. She should be in prison along with the CEO, I can't remember her name. But they should be in prison as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, enough of that. Let me roll my sleeves up. Right, so the screws are out. That come off yet. Let's take this off as well. Get all the little bits and bobs out of the way. So that, right, that comes out like that. How does this come apart? Please. Oh, have I got it? Yeah. Right, there's the fan. Oh, oh, that all comes out, does it? So, looks clean in here, doesn't it? Fair play. Right, let's have a look down here first. Oh, whoa, 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 what's going on here? Oh, see, look at that's been pulled out. So that's stress relief. Oh, look. Look. Look at this wire here. So stress relief has been pulled. This is pulled out. And it's yanked this wire out. Could that be? Is that straightforward? So let's have a look. So I'd say it's come from here, because that's where it's got bare ended end here. It's going to be a bit tricky. Well, not so much tricky. It's just bloody, well, tricky. That might be helpful. Yeah. Finally. Right. Turn that down. Turn it off actually. Let's see if we can get this back together now. Let's take that out. Switch over my bits. Plug this bad boy in. Hey! And it's hot. Get in there. So there we are. Lovely jubbly. Right, so that's that fixed. Win! Ha ha ha! Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra for now.